Etiefo mate abrahosem bi meni anje na abrahosem school bi a ye frɛ no Royal Kings Foundation Nursery and Primary School. Abrahosem bi esi ewo ho. Now, answer never to us on subscribe and click the notification bell no. And not in the down screen so see we understand latest news be about one sa ever. This is a school it is situated in between the residence of other people. Not to say utumi hu say ebia na yo bi fie and na nipa kono convert ye di school and na say nipa kono eto asase no and nkrofo aba be sisi dan e won chen. It happens a lot of schools these days, especially primary and nursery schools. No, we don't say, "What share ebia nipa kono benkum so a ohun se wo bi fie, wo hwe nifa so a obi fie nti tese school ne hye nkrofo fie mfimfini." Aha. Na die esi ene se school no efie bia na ewo ne nchen. Efie no wo mo polytank. Na won say na say first no Ghana na polytank. First na dia ye ene se ebia esi form ya ye ebo bi wo form ama polytank ya mount some high stage bi ama polytank ni si so. But na say the nkrofo ye na say wo mo mount pillar tenten ama akosro na akosro anom the polytank ni mu esi sro. Inti no edan na eben ana efie na eben school no sa no my polytank no wo mo ye pillar na polytank no ewo pillar ne so ewo sro. Some people build pillars, some people also build metallic stands bi a the polytank no esi so. Oba me area say ya most of the people sa no omo no on the polytank na atoto to sro. Na fofianto ata polytanki water capacity na 800 gallons of water any to me peke. Wo bi nim die si ye se mframa na ebo no ba polytank so osro ho sa na ya na mu oden. Won very unlikely so better say mframa e na abo no. Just say mframa na ebo no so de be hwan say polytank no out of form. Na sense school no ben say dan nti no polytank na create form na to form e wo efie na Polytank no polytank ne ya ne die o ekoto school no eso na school no be bia ekoto school no say na bidi katon no nursery and primary school inti be bia polytank no ekoto ye nursery no one of the classrooms of nursery in Kolano na polytank no ekoto mo so a and there me ne wo ka say in Kolano mienu ewu ema bebrena epra abrahosem a eba from Royal Kings Foundation in Kolani mienu ewu and at said the ati ya rashi bi akọ hospital. Now so far wo mo ewu no yese baako 82 years baako nso 83 years. Police penyi ekasa e de nsem no etutu dwa se assembly de ya akoye se e wo se wo mo ya investigation no mu hu senia polytank no etumi to form free soro ho ebe pon kola ne so eku omo ya sa arahosem it's around 11:15 am NAC na wo bia wonim how nursery sa nursery pre nursery ne sa primary schools no obia wonim how it works ne say around 11:15 am na ya na man kola na da rest for about 2 hours. On the nursery there ya man kola na kwan so wo monda it's around 11:12 no na man kola na da nti ebetumi aba ne se embra na polytank na kra na to nkola na so no mo ada etiefo no mo ada nti se na medin ka tro no esi sa no na e wo se ye kofa nkola na ya rashi omo eko hospital na the kre ya rashi omo eko hospital no ebimu nso ewu wo kwan ne so ati ase ebimu nso wo mo pra serious and that me no ka say they are in a very very critical condition in kola as early as a year 1 year 6 months akola bia wono de say 1 year 10 months say the condition it for nye easy the condition is serious. Akola bi nso ka ho 1 year 7 months ono nso ka ho we pra enye easy therefore na obi beka say wo de wo ba eco school ene ye ana wo de ni eco school ene enye. And that me ne oka say you see police for akwa ko hu enkola, especially enkola na wo mo ewu no wo mo awofo, because they are finding it very difficult to take this. Nti police for atwea ban omo a wo mo ne omo kasa show omo crime tro omo say wo mo be discreet, if be discreet investigation. That is wo mo be investigation ya ekohu de etumi ma politank no e free through ho ebebo fom saa free so abebo fom so ambo eye fie ho anto fie ho ati ase e se be betumi aba ne say oni kra woti fie ho ana oni kra ne fie ne kra no no oni ho 11 ebia woko edwumem ebia wo bie ni fie na politanki e free ata akoton kola ne so. And then na these days you hear things that happen. Now will be someone who say that bio into what they will buy eco school try and they and now say then. A lot of people will be asking that question. Into what they will buy eco school no and they and now what? Because show what they will trim no they will buy eco school now we kunya this we kunya tete pa any addition. I said we better than any party through our Ghana and any party through a friend say area simu na bibi say akwa kosi. What will you do? Yeah, me tell story no. Me ra ho ye me say just put yourself in the shoes of these people. Send them a me ko ejuma na we janeba e wo school. Say me pun school ameba be fa no. Wa return ye anase ye ba na edwuma mu ongoti a ye se politank abebo ne ba ne so eku no how say saying politank say saying where from the politank see then need to me bebo me ba so ku ne ya sa they like the parents will be in a state of shock and they will definitely not understand this. Some might even decide to take legal actions. But nini name no eyo yao ena amana banesa. What you say? Eyo yao ena amana banesa. My condolences with the family and I mean the family of these children in Kola kete. One classroom and addresses I didn't see here. I rehosem pa ever. So share your thoughts on this in the comment box below. It's here for Mr. Ramo. Now, since we are talking about this too, let me just add this. Miss Remo, moi, modern Mombanso Eco School, no. Yeah, I don't know how you actually be doing this, but schools now modern Momba Eco, no. Miss Remo, and your school beyond the water will back. Miss Remo, and your school beyond no Akaso way, school fees, no, ne board, no, school fees, no, has say no, okay, intimidate me back or her Miss Remo, and your school beyond the water will back. School be or ha o de oba ko obehu ne say a teacher for no kra no they don't have time. Now say I don't know whether I reported on that story. Now say as a kolabi break time was a day you say will be aba school ni mo say woni makola nti wo de akola na ekọ akola ni so edi nkrofo echi wa woni me nkola ye de to fida ada na wo bedi ni pako nechi akola yi edi nkrofo nechi say lack ne say akola no ni nua panyi e wo school nim e no mo ye fast ko bo ni nua panyi na mane se obi abefa unua ne ko wo si wonim no e na ni nua ne rashe ya wo ko ye e na akola ni bi nso ko bo teachers na mane wo mo bae no se nkrofo yi o mo ye kidnappers na ko mo de akola ne ko mo hu se ni teachers ni nia e be board dumping no e na wo mo ja akola ne na wo mo ti o mo dwane ko hye wo mo kan mo hwim o mo ko wo it is sometimes no we need to actually see the schools we will take our children to. Mekai mi school amekoye mo amunim Temapa Dex Educational Institute, one of the best primary and nursery schools in Tema. Yes, na sikano ewosro, but still Dex say wokwa ma obisa by force emba school nim say obefa akola dabi. One point you are not going out. Schools be wa Umpon ya cry a break time and near man colano say colano into me call out of the premises of the school. Dabi, that's no umpon ya. Wo ye den. One share ye nim say wo ma me penny, wo ma me cry ba school ni mo pa. Ye ma wo ma me cry penny ma wo enkwa bonten. What I say? Just because of things like this. Wo. Into the Sramo as we will also be saying say the family say no, we also need to take responsibility for some things. What I say? Montreal Margin, our comment box, ni mo me da say.